Hello everyone, in this video I will explain why magnesium oxide still has okay bioavailability since it is almost insoluble in water. I will also give my suggestions about how to take magnesium oxide to maximize its health benefits. Yes, magnesium oxide is like rock. At room temperature, the solubility of magnesium oxide is less than 1 milligram in 100 milliliter water at neutral condition. Magnesium cannot be absorbed until the magnesium cation released from its salt, which will not happen if the salt is insoluble. However, magnesium oxide is not working alone. The key here is gastric acid. Here is a brief scheme about magnesium oxide journey in human body. When it gets to the stomach, magnesium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid in gastric acid and form magnesium chloride and water. Magnesium oxide is insoluble, but magnesium chloride is extremely water soluble. 100 milliliter water can dissolve more than 50 grams magnesium chloride, which make it absorbed as easy as those magnesium organic salts, such as magnesium citrate and magnesium glycinate. Magnesium oxide is a base, so this is a neutralization reaction. It is fast and exothermic. From this point, magnesium oxide is an antacid. Meanwhile, because it is an exothermic reaction, it might make your stomach upset if you take magnesium oxide while fasting. From the reaction, we can see one molecule of magnesium oxide can react with 2 molecules hydrochloric acid. If I take 400 milligram magnesium oxide, it will need roughly 150 milliliter gastric acid to complete the reaction. The human body will generate gastric acid at a speed about 65 to 70 milliliter per hour, so it might take at least 2 hours to complete the reaction. If magnesium oxide cannot be converted before it goes to small intestine, most of it will be excreted by feces. After we know how magnesium oxide is absorbed, how can we take it to maximize its health benefit? I will recommend to take magnesium oxide by 2 doses, one after lunch, the other after dinner or before bed. There are 2 advantages if we take magnesium oxide in this way. First, when the pill is mixed with food, it will stay longer in stomach. This will give it enough time to be converted and also minimize the side effect. Second, it is interesting that the magnesium absorption rate is largely depend on the concentration of magnesium cation. The more magnesium, the less absorption rate. Separate dose will maximize the absorption of magnesium. Then, we need to keep in mind, different from other soluble magnesium supplements, magnesium oxide need extra step. I mean the neutralization step to release the magnesium cation. This process explains most of its side effect, especially when taking it with an empty stomach. Because magnesium oxide is much cheaper, it will save you a good amount of money in the long run if it works for you. Alright, that is all I have today. If you have any questions, suggestions, or experience about certain magnesium supplements, welcome to leave your comment. If you would like to learn more knowledge about supplements, please subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time.